Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class and our today's topic is matching. Okay, so let's start our class. Students, just look, there are two pages here. Okay, we have to match the pictures with the words. On the left side, just in the first page, just look. On the left side there are some pictures and the right side there are some words. Okay, so we have to match the pictures with the words. So let's start. At first, just look here. What is this? This is the picture of a pen. This is a book. This is a pencil. This is a box, and this is a bag. And what are the words here? A pencil, a bag, a pen, a book, and a box. So at first, what is the picture? The first picture is what? This is a pen. So where is pen? This is a pen. P-E-N, pen. So just match the pictures with this word. Okay, students? Now the next one, what is this? This is the picture of a book. So where is the word book? This is B-O-O-K, book. And the picture is here. So now just match the picture with the word. Okay, a book. Now the next one, what is this? This is a pencil. Okay, this is a pencil. So where is the word pencil? At the top of the page, a pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. So we have to match the picture with the word, a pencil. Okay, students? Now the next picture, what is this? This is the box. So where is the word box? A box. B-O-X, box. So we have to match this picture with the word a box. Now the last one, what is left here? This is the picture of a bag. Okay, this is the picture of a bag. So where is the word bag? The word bag is here, a bag. B-A-G, bag. So we have to match the picture of bag with the word a bag. Okay, students, this is our first page. It's done already. Now go to the next one. In page number 2, just look, there are some pictures. In the two sides there are some pictures, and in the middle of these pictures there are some words. Okay. So at first, what is this? This is the picture of a blouse. This is the picture of shoes. This is the picture of shirt. This is the picture of frock. This is the picture of jeans, and this is the picture of shorts. So we have to match the pictures with the words. Okay, these are the pictures and the words that people wear every day. Okay, so these are the pictures of the dress. So at first, what is the picture? This is blouse. So where is blouse here? A blouse. B-L-O-U-S-E, blouse, a blouse. So we have to match this picture with the word. Okay. Now the next picture, what is this? Shoes. So where is shoes here? This is the word shoes. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. So we have to match the pictures with the word shoes. Now the next picture is, what is this? This is the picture of a shirt. So where is shirt here? A shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. So we have to match the picture with the word a shirt. Now the next side, what is this? This is the picture of a frock. So where is a frock? A frock. F-R-O-C-K, frock. So we have to match this. Now the next one, what is this? This is the picture of jeans. So where is jeans here? At the top of the page. J-E-A-N-S. This is jeans. So we have to match the word with the picture. Now the next one, what is this? This is the picture of shorts, and shorts is here, S-H-O-R-T-S, shorts. So we have to match the word with the pictures. Students, actually these two pages, that means both pages are taken from your book. Okay, these two matchings are taken from your book. So I think you have understood today's topic. Okay students, stay safe, stay well, take care, Allah Hafiz.